If you want to upgrade your home and make everyday life easier, these Amazon finds are definitely worth checking out. From space-saving solutions to smart home essentials, these products can make your space cleaner, more organized, and way more comfortable. Some of these are honestly so satisfying to use, so let's get into it. Number 1. The Vikaki Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. A smart space-saving solution that helps you dry your clothes without taking up valuable floor space. It easily mounts on the wall and folds out when needed, making it perfect for small homes, apartments, or laundry areas. When not in use, you can simply fold it back, keeping your space clean and clutter-free. It's simple, practical, and makes your daily routine much more convenient. All products links are in description. Number 2. The Bestia Queen Bed Frame, a modern and functional upgrade that adds both style and convenience to your bedroom. It's designed with a strong, sturdy build and often includes built-in storage or smart features, helping you keep your space organized without extra furniture. It gives your room a clean, premium look while making everyday living more comfortable and practical. Number 3. The APEXCHASER Ironing Board, a practical home essential that makes ironing faster, easier, and way more comfortable. It features a strong and stable frame with a smooth surface that helps you remove wrinkles quickly and efficiently without extra effort. The adjustable height design lets you set it at a comfortable level, while the foldable structure makes it easy to store when not in use. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your clothes looking neat and your space clean and organized. Number 4. The Msomsli Underwear Organizer, a simple but super effective way to keep your drawers neat, clean, and perfectly organized. Instead of messy piles, it separates your underwear, socks, or small clothing items into neat sections, making everything easy to find instantly. It saves time, reduces clutter, and makes your daily routine feel a lot more smooth and stress-free. Number 5. The Bushing Mop and Bucket, a powerful cleaning system that makes mopping faster, easier, and far more efficient. It's designed with a smart hands-free wringing mechanism that removes excess water without any effort, so you don't have to touch dirty water at all. The mop head is built to reach corners and tight spaces, giving you a deeper and more thorough clean on every surface. It not only saves time and energy, but also keeps your cleaning routine simple, mess-free, and much more effective. Number 6. The Hojin Linero Round Lift Top Coffee Table, a smart and stylish piece of furniture that adds both functionality and modern design to your living space. The lift top feature allows you to easily raise the surface, making it perfect for working, eating, or using your laptop comfortably. It also includes hidden storage inside, helping you keep your space clean, organized, and clutter-free. Number 7. The Neprock Clothes Organizers and Storage, a smart and practical way to keep your clothes neatly arranged and easy to access. Instead of messy stacks in your closet or drawers, these organizers help you separate and store everything in a clean and structured way. They save space, reduce clutter, and make your daily routine much faster and more convenient. Number 8. The Mini Underwear Washing Machine, a compact and super convenient solution for quickly washing small clothing items without using a full-size machine. It's perfect for underwear, socks, baby clothes, or delicate items, giving you a quick and gentle clean whenever you need it. Its portable design makes it easy to use anywhere, and it saves both time and water while keeping your clothes fresh and hygienic. Number 9. The WSK USB Small Desk Fan, a compact and powerful cooling solution that keeps you comfortable while working, studying, or relaxing. Despite its small size, it delivers a strong and steady airflow, making it perfect for desks, bedside tables, or small spaces. It's easy to plug into any USB port, making it super convenient to use anywhere, anytime. Number 10. The APEXCHASER Clothes Drying Rack, a practical and space-saving solution for drying clothes efficiently without needing a dryer. It offers multiple levels of hanging space, making it perfect for drying a large number of clothes at once. The foldable design allows you to store it easily when not in use, keeping your home clean and clutter-free while making your laundry routine much more convenient. Number 11. The Upström Mini Fridge. A compact and convenient cooling solution that's perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, or small spaces. It gives you quick access to drinks, snacks, or essentials without needing a full-size refrigerator. Despite its small size, it offers efficient cooling and a clean, modern look that fits easily into any setup, making your daily routine more comfortable and organized. Number 12. The Germ Guardian Air Purifier. A powerful home essential that helps keep your indoor air clean, fresh, and healthier to breathe. It works by filtering out dust, allergens, and unwanted particles, making your space feel more comfortable and refreshing. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, and it runs quietly in the background while improving your overall environment every day. Number 13. The UCCM Clothes Hanger Connector Hooks. A simple yet super effective solution to instantly create more space in your closet. These small hooks let you connect multiple hangers vertically, helping you store more clothes without taking up extra room. It's perfect for small closets or anyone looking to stay more organized without adding bulky storage. All products are in description. Number 14. The Simlord 9-tier Foldable Shoe Rack. A smart and high-capacity storage solution that helps you organize all your shoes in one clean and structured space. Instead of messy piles, it neatly arranges everything while saving floor space. The foldable design makes it easy to set up or store when needed, making your home look more organized, clean, and clutter-free. Number 15. The Dreamlax Rain Humidifier. A relaxing and functional home upgrade that adds moisture to the air while creating a calming rain-like effect. It helps improve air comfort, especially in dry environments, and makes your room feel more refreshing and peaceful. It's perfect for bedrooms or workspaces, combining both functionality and a soothing aesthetic. All products links are in description. Number 16. The Purifier Retractable Clothesline. A smart indoor drying solution that gives you instant space to hang clothes whenever you need it. It extends when in use and retracts back when not needed, keeping your space clean and clutter-free. It's perfect for small homes, bathrooms, or laundry areas, making drying clothes much more convenient. Number 17. The High Life Clothes Steamer. A quick and efficient way to remove wrinkles and freshen up your clothes without using a traditional iron. It heats up fast and works gently on fabrics, making it perfect for daily use or travel. It saves time, reduces effort, and keeps your outfits looking neat and ready to wear. Number 18. The Kivas Over-the-Door Shoe Organizer. A simple yet highly effective way to store your shoes without using any floor space. It hangs easily over any door, turning unused space into organized storage. It keeps everything visible, accessible, and neatly arranged, making your home look cleaner and more organized. Number 19. The Pipishell Slim Storage Cart. A smart and compact storage solution that fits perfectly into narrow spaces like between cabinets, beside fridges, or in bathrooms. The slim design helps you use unused space efficiently, while the wheels make it easy to move around whenever needed. It keeps your essentials organized and easily accessible. Number 20. The Hudulcet Adjustable Seat Table. A modern and versatile piece that makes your daily routine more comfortable and convenient. You can easily slide it next to your sofa or bed and adjust the height for working, eating, or using your laptop. It's compact, stylish, and perfect for small spaces, making your home setup more functional and organized. All the links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.